guys, today we are going to be doing the third mod to my 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL Sport, and that is adding side steps. So the ones that I picked up are the RedRock 4x4 HD drop steps, but I really like the drop step design, and I also like that they're all steel and powder coated, so they should be pretty durable. One thing to note is that they do hang down below the pinch weld, so if you do a lot of advanced trail riding, these probably won't be the best option for you. You'll probably want something more like a rock slider type of side step. However, if your Jeep is your daily driver or you're just doing easy to moderate trail riding, this could be a cool option to check out. If you do decide to go with these steps or a similar design, then I would highly recommend you check out our previous video where we painted the pinch weld. This will give your Jeep a much more completed look when you add the side steps. So I will link that up above here to click right now if you want to go check that out. Otherwise, it'll be in the description if you want to check it out after this video.
As far as preparation, tools required, and the installation of these, they're very simple. They're very straightforward. You can use some power tools if you like. Otherwise, basic hand tools, wrenches, and sockets will get you by. We put it up on the lift. You don't need to because Jeeps are nice and high. You can crawl around on the floor if you want to. So with that,
let's get started.
So you want to take a bolt, you want to put a lock washer on first, followed by a washer. And this is going to go right up through the bracket and screw into the Jeep itself.
Alright, so we just finished installing the side steps. We think it turned out great. They're very sturdy. You really want to spend the most time making sure that the brackets are on correctly, because we did have one bracket backwards, but you really just want to take time making sure that all of the brackets are aligned properly before you go to fit it onto your car.
The only other thing I would say is that you know, it helps to have a friend, two people putting these things on, another person to help hold it in place. There's a lot of holes and brackets to align holes to, and these things weigh probably about 40 pounds each, so definitely having a friend helps. When you use the when you snug the bolts up, you know, tighten them good, but don't over tighten them. The actual instructions don't indicate a torque rating for any of the bolts, so you want to go Nice and tight on the bolts that go up into the body. Those are really what's supporting the weight that you're going to have on these steps. Again, don't over tighten. You're not trying to put them on as tight as you can. You really want to, just tighten them up to a good tight. The pinch weld bolts, when you go to tighten those up, you'll see the pinch weld actually flex. So again, you don't want to over tighten those. You don't want to bend those out of shape too much. Just snug them up nice and snug.
Yeah, the first side took us much longer, but when we did the driver's side, we probably did the side steps in 15 minutes.
Easily,
this
yeah.
first one took us, even without filming, probably took us 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'll definitely feel more comfortable by the time you get to the other side. Again, I will link these exact side steps in the description if you guys want this for your Jeep. And again, I will also link the pinch weld painting video to the description as well, which you should check out to hide the painted pinch weld and just black it out, and it just makes the side steps look way more finished and complete. And if you have any questions, as always, just throw it in the comments and we'll do our best to help answer you along the way. Upcoming mods, the next one will probably be taillight covers or taillight guards. We are also going to do a small mod to the front factory bumper, a new grille, and then again, in the spring we'll do the 2.5-inch lift kit and then new tires and wheels. So we have a lot to go, but this has been fun so far, so stay tuned to see the rest of this Jeep journey.
All right.
All right.
Jeeping.